Hello YouTube, this is the part 3 of making of a tutorial series making your first game in Unity and C Sharp, and this is Mr. Moami, and in this part I will be showing you how to add a simple score system to the game, and we will add a few pickup objects and show some score on the corner of the screen and things like that. Okay, so let's get started. So first create a 3D cube that's gonna be a pickup object. So let's move it away a bit and scale it down, and let's rename it to pickup, and let's and you can create a new material for it, and uh, I have already created a material for it, and it changed its color to green, so I'm just gonna apply it. And let's and we also have to add a tag to it, so for that go to edit project setting, tag and layers, and go to the tags list over here and click on this plus sign and name your new tag. Okay, so now go back to the object and apply the tag. Now we have our pickup object with the tag. Okay, so let's make a few copies of this object, of this pickup object, and then start our scripting. So I'm just gonna fast forward the video and do some of the copies of the object. Okay, so now we have some copies of the pickup object. So let's move on to scripting. So open your play moment script that we created in part 1, and here first we add a public int of name score, and that's the score of our play. Okay, and now add a void on trigger enter, and name collider name it other. Now add a if statement that if the other object is game object with the tag of pick up, then destroy the other game object. Okay, and also plus the score. Okay, so let's test it. You will see in the inspector of the player that uh, not visible. You see the score value in the inspector of the player. Okay, so let's test it, and for now keep your eye on in this score int in the inspector. Okay, one thing I forgot, that select all your pickup objects and turn on the is trigger in the box collider. Okay, and now test it. You see, it's working. You can see the score is increasing in the inspector, and everything is working pretty well. You see this, and this pickup object doesn't have a trigger on, so it's not destroying. So we're gonna fix that later, and we will be showing this score in the question. So again, go back to the script and now uh, create a new public uh, text, name it show score, okay, and in the update add a code. It says show text dot text equal to uh, score and plus our this score score and this end the statement. And now in the Unity editor create a new UI text. Go to game object and UI and text, and you see you have a canvas, and under that we have a text. So click on this 2D button in the scene, so you'll see it switches itself to 2D mode, and you will see here the text and the canvas. So adjust the text in the canvas like the way you want to show it in the screen. Consider this canvas as a screen and the text and align the text according to the way you want to show it on the screen. Okay, so let me just scale it up and let's change its color to something white. Okay, so in the game you see sorry, it's just like the way we want to show in the game. Okay, so now change this text to something score. Go back to the play and select the text as a short as subject. Okay, and now if we play the game we'll see okay, you see the score is right now 0. Let's destroy some pickups and you see the score is increasing, and it's okay. So the score system is working well. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is do some menu for the start of the game, and then we'll show this screen, and if the player selects all these objects we can whether decide if it has to go to a level 2 or we can leave it end the game in this level and show a message that game over, thanks for playing, and that's it. So we will do all that in the next part. Okay, so first let's just structure these things up, and for that first create a empty object, name it pickups and drag all these pickup objects in that this main object here. Okay, see, again create a empty object and name it walls and drag all the walls from here into this single object. So everything is structured now. In the next level, in the next part, we will be doing some of the final things to end the game up, and also you can save the scene as going to file and save scene. And that's it. That's it for part 3, and see you in the part 4. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like, and also comment if you have any questions. Okay, so meet you in the part 4.